Hello and welcome to the Motor Test Tuesday. Today we've got the first censored motor which I'm going to test, which is a LRP Dynamic 10L, which is a long can. This is a 3670 sized motor and it is censored, of course. It's a pretty nice motor, this, rated for 3700 kV, and we'll put it on the tester and see what it does. Now, interestingly, on the box for the LRP, it does have a full specification of input voltage RPM, but it does say that the RPM was measured at 7.4 volts. So I'm guessing their kV rating was measured at 7.4 volts, and it does say that just in the corner down here. So it is on the tester now, and this should be a good test. So we've got the 3700 kV LRP motor on the tester, and first thing we're going to do, as always, is set the number of poles to 4 poles. Then we're going to measure the kV, ramp it up slowly. Let it settle down for a bit. So interestingly, it's measuring 3800 kV at 3.3 amps, and it's doing 27,900 RPM. And if we compare that to what is on the box, you can see it's supposed to do 27,380. So it's actually doing more RPM than it says, and the kV is higher. So that's quite good. Now the other thing as well, we can test this time with a censored motor, is motor timing, and have a look what the timing of this motor is set to. Now on this one it isn't adjustable, but we can still look at it and just see what it is from the factory. So we just press the button twice and it starts by itself. And that's it, so it's finished. So the average is 23 degrees of timing, and each phase is 24, 22, 23. So yeah, it's quite consistent, I guess. Pretty close together, all within a degree of each other. So next thing, noise test. This is quite a high kV motor to what I've tested before, so it is the loudest at 85 decibels. Interesting. So that is it for this one. Oh, and the other thing as well, you can see these the Hall sensor up here. You can see the red LEDs in the top corner of the analyzer there. They sort of change as you spin the rotor manually by hand, so you can check that they're all working too, which is pretty cool. And yeah, that will be it for this one. LRP, slightly underrated on the kV, but very nice motor. And that'll be it for this one. Goodbye.